I'm so excited to be doing my first partnership with WigShe for a human hair wig. So the first thing I'm going to do is cut this lace off. Hi everyone, welcome to BB Hair. My name is Beth and I'm so happy that you're here with me today. I'm super excited because this is my first wig from WigShe. WigShe is a human hair manufacturer. I want to thank them for sending me this gorgeous style, and I want to let you know that if you're shopping at WigShe, go ahead and use my code BETH. BETH is going to save you 10% on your order at WigShe. So I want to give you all the specs on this wig. I will go ahead and leave it on the screen as well. So this is the blonde ombre, and I did 18 inches in length, 120% density. This is the invisible HG lace, and I did trim it back with a pinking shears. But as you can see, the hairline on this, I think looks beautiful. They did the blonde at the front as much as they can, and they were great to work with. I told them that I wanted the Scandinavian highlights. And then they sent me a picture when the wig was done and asked me if it looked good. And I said, yes, I love it. It looks beautiful. And I'm super happy with it. The fibers feel really soft. Now it comes with those combs. I cut all of the combs out because I wear a wig cap and I don't have bio hair. So I find that the cap is super comfortable. It's large. It's a medium, but there's plenty of room in here. So if you have a larger head, I feel like there's plenty of room. Let me just show you the picture that I kind of looked at for reference, and then we'll just go ahead and I'll show you from all sides. Let's spin. So I have left side. Super pretty. I like this density. It's thick, but it's not too thick. Like, it's thick enough for a pretty ponytail, but not so thick, I think, that it looks unrealistic. Right side. And I would call this a cool blonde. It's really pretty. I love the highlights. The Scandinavian highlights are just perfect. I love the length, the 18 inches. I think that's beautiful. I do feel like I want a little bit of a curtain bang. So I have room to play if I wanted to do a left off center part. You can see that still gives you that scalp effect. So either way, if you wanted to do it on the right, you have plenty of room to move around. And it kind of came center maybe off just slightly, maybe off center just slightly, because it doesn't quite even with my head with the ear tabs. So it's slightly, I feel like it's slightly right on me. Oh my gosh, I think it's pretty. It seemed a titch overwhelming at first, but wow, I love it. And this is super comfortable. Now that I took all the clips out, it's really comfortable. I just want to look again around now that I trimmed it and kind of added a few layers. Of course I can't see because of my lights. Oh yeah, that's cute. Oh, that's pretty. Love the color. Yeah, this is super pretty. It's so soft. I mean, look at this. No problems running your fingers through this. Now, I don't know how this will respond like for a full work day, if it will get tangly underneath like my synthetics do. but I just carry a wide tooth comb in my purse, and then I'll go like this on my work day and just go from the bottom up. What do you guys think? I think it's really pretty. I'm quite impressed. Okay, so remember, this is WigShe number 038, and use promo code BETH to save 10% if you want to head over there and see what they have. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. I hope you enjoyed this review, and I'll see you really soon. Bye-bye.